So today we are going to eat gai xi hong fan.
What's up guys, it's Foodiver here, and today we're at the newly opened Wong Noodle house in SS15 where everything priced under 13 ringgit. We're starting with the famous gai xi hong fan, just 9 ringgit 50 cents. Get to a massive bowl with juicy prawns and tender shredded chicken. The broth is all made in-house using fresh chicken bone and farm sea prawn. And even the smooth and silky noodles are sourced from Ipoh. You can also try their signature curry mee that's rich, thick, and just right amount of spicy, loaded with fresh ingredients. And for those who love early breakfast, you might want to check out their local breakfast set. A kaya butter toast, kaya butter croissant, half-boiled egg, and a cup of their signature coffee. Trust me, this is a must-try. The environment is clean, spacious, and comfortable with options for both air-conditioned indoor seating and also outdoor tables. The portions are generous and the prices are unbeatable. And the best part, the taste is just so good. Whether you're a student nearby or just passing through Subang, Wongji is a place that you've got to try. Stay tuned for more. Oh, by the way, I was told that only the real Ipoh people know of this drink. Do you know what this drink is? Comment and let us know.